Challenging, also something that I had never done, especially in a film which was this intense, which spoke about a subject that was again very close to my heart. It's challenging when, especially in a film like this, there are about 70 to 80% of the scenes with yourself. You know, that becomes tricky. Usually the films that I've seen in the past, you know, at least made here, have had that बिछड़ जाते हैं फिर end में मिल जाते हैं सबकी अलग अलग लाइफ चल रही होती है यहाँ पे Soumya and Shelly were together like almost the whole of the time, you know, throughout the film. And some really intense scenes to do with yourself get tricky. But I think that was what also made it very exciting for me as an actor, because it was something which I was really scared of, and I was like, I don't know how I'm going to be able to pull it off. So I like characters and roles that challenge you, because that's how you grow.
Okay, so regarding this, what character or characters that helped you grow as an actor?
I think in your journey, each and every film, at least मेरी कोशिश ये होती है that you're growing through every film, every experience that you have. Otherwise, there is no gain in your journey, you know. So I whether it has been Bareli Barfi, whether it's been Mimi, whether it's been Teri Baat Wali, or you know Do Patti, Crew, I think all of them have somewhere, you know, polished me and made me grow in some way.
मैडम तेरी बातों ने ऐसा उलझा दिया उस फिल्म के बाद रैप जींस ने कितना सुलझाया उस बात को, कितना कंफर्टेबल किया है रैप जींस ने। तेरी बातों ने उलझा दिया फिल्म, रैप जींस ने कितना सुलझा दिया।
पेपे जींस आप काफी उलझे हुए हैं।
Okay, what sort of message you want to give to the consumer?
To the consumers, and the message is something you might want to talk about.
We were very excited when we saw two of you. We said we have two brand ambassadors when we saw the film. But I think
अभी एक और आएगी यहाँ पे.
So I was taken by shock. I was like, no, but I think whatever has happened to the business since Kriti has come on board, she has been able to get a new customer on board with the massive fan base that she comes with.
अभी तो रोको इधर रोको तो अभी
आपको ब्लॉक करना है।
हाँ आप ऐसे ही कर सकते हैं या यू आर ब्रांच मोबाइल तेरे पास
Mike's there.
I know it's seen a lot of collection on PDS as well on board. What do you think of this direction?
I think it's amazing. I think I love the fact that every has from your normal basics to add a little twist to the basics, to go into the trends, to making its own trends. It's comfort plus style, which is absolutely my vibe. And I love that
फेमस हो जाएंगे चल ले रहे थे हाइट नहीं हो रहे आप पहले डर रहे
just from like so many different colors which you can here I can see. There's so many jackets. So there is not just about blue, red, you know, if you really go into colors, it will really, you know, sort of upgrade your wardrobe.